Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen are True, chapter 71. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xishaning and Jiangshu. What if there is? What if there is no? If not, the clearer will clear myself. No matter how much the rumors are after today will be the day when the dust settles. If there is, Nyang Nyang also needs to know that some things have to pay a price. Now Jiang Yushi trying to explain to Xishaning, but of course right now, Xishaning, she seems to be false. Well, is she listening to Jiang Yushi? It seems that she looks like getting offended by this, but right now she's trying to call Jiang Yushi. Well, is she going to tell him something, telling the truth, or she want to ask permission? Now, it makes sense to her. She moved closer to the ears of Jiang Yushi and said to her, "What is the price? It is enough for the Aisha to pay." Oh, she is getting tricky, right? Now, Jiang Yushi, he is carefully listening to hers. Now, Shishaning, and also, please. Shishaning, it looked like she really wanted to tease Jiang Yushi at this moment and said, "Father-in-law, rest assured." Now, Jiang Yushi, she suddenly froze and speechless after hearing this. Now, he looks really got shy, and it was Jiangshu at this moment also shy about that. Dad, you're right, Dad. Now, looking at Jiangshu, she's trying to calm down her dad. Well, probably, she got really shy about what Xishaning told her father now. "Sister, what did you tell to my father? He is too old to be frightened." It seems that Jiangshu, she didn't hear something. Now, she got really surprised by the action of Xishaning towards her father. Well, she doesn't know that. She even called Jiang Yushi father-in-law. That's why her father seems to be stoned. Lord Jiang just needs time to digest. It's getting late. Let's go back to the palace. The two of them are finally going to leave, leaving Jiang Yushi. It seems that he really gets stoned. He was standing there, alone and not moving. Probably until now, it was not really sinking that it was Jiangshu and Xishaning. The two of them are having a relationship. Come on, let's go and invite the Langshong, the master, has been passed out. After so long and a lot of things happen, finally the two of them are been together. Back into the palace, they will sleep together again. Especially today. It seems that Changshu, she really can't sleep. I first crossed here, I also lying next to her and like this. Now she was reminiscing the past. Especially, she's looking into Changshu. Positioning finally falls asleep since she sustained a lot of injury. Of course, she need to take rest, recover her energy. Now, looking back now, probably she was thinking again about what happened in the past. If I let my sisters know that small movement you dare to do, I will be used to attack her. Acting also of her form to a sister love, like slicing you like a meat. All tenderness is in action. Well, that was her plan before. Now it seems to be everything has changed. Seeing the real Xishaning. Of course, instead, it is me. But back then, she's been so careless. Don't think too much. Right now everything is sinking in. But she keep hurting her. Although it was late to realize that now it seems that she was really willing for her. And also she already changed. After Sishangan was so troubled. Now it turns out. And now she was listening to her. "I want to go back to Shangyu Temple to pray for the first emperor, so as not to." She looks like she really worried about her. Now, it was clear oneself. Zishaning told her, looking at the two of them, the situation is really getting serious. But she was still hesitant. "We are not very innocent." Definitely, she was trying to restrain herself. Although right now, even though father, whether it's because of a long time or a skin blind date, I really like it, and it's a little bit. I don't want to lie on myself anymore. I have no doubt at this moment. Now she's been falling in love with her touch. Everything seems to be changed on Jiangshu. Well, she's been accepting Xishaning, but suddenly she got hesitated again and said she really can't do that. Xishaning told her, "Don't be so nervous, Jiangshu. It is because everyone knows that the clear. It's like acknowledging our relationship." Well, Jiangshu has been confused. "I'm not afraid of any gossip comments this time. I will definitely protect you." Oh, it turns out she's really getting brave. Also, why this time? It can be me to protect. How about you? Oh, is she really getting brave? And also, she looks really serious about this. I will never allow you to do this. But my sister did not sacrifice for me today. Oh, she's really getting tricky. With Mr. C for me, this is not sacrifice for me, Shishaning told her. And send the first, I still feel that I owe you. Who led the army to fight outsider. Now, Shishaning is trying to explain her side to her, but also told her, although I don't like Shishangang very much, I can only do this. Jiang Shu said to herself. The demon queen, who was been in a high spirit, so cautious, walking in the thin ice, again and again, for me, into the abyss, to forget about the root of the history. Although the two of them seems to be awkward, discover the person in front of you. Positioning told herself, but also Jiangshu. She moved really closer and hugged her tightly. Sister, you don't have enough for me. I don't want to get away from you. Well, it seems that if it were, she would not dare to say things. Jiangshu said, well, definitely. She is really getting braver to confess her feeling at this moment. I finally touched her heart. Well, the story, it is clearly getting clearer. Also, they've been open to each other. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!